Want to become a Canadian citizen in 2025? This is your complete step-by-step guide using all the official information from Canada.ca. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Fairytale on Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to apply for Canadian citizenship in 2025. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. What is Canadian citizenship? You will get a Canadian passport. You will have the right to vote in federal, provincial and local elections. You will be able to run for a political office. You won't need to renew your PR card again. You will get full access to government benefits and protections. Once you become a Canadian citizen, you are truly part of the country for life. Who can apply? Eligibility. To apply for citizenship, you must meet 5 major conditions. You must be a permanent resident of Canada. You must already have a PR status. Your PR card doesn't have to be valid, but you should not be under review for fraud, order to leave Canada, in trouble with immigration enforcement. You must be a PR in good standing. You must have lived in Canada for 3 years, that is 1095 days in last 5 years. You must be physically present in Canada for 1095 days during the 5 years before you apply. If you have done your post-graduation here in Canada and got your work permit, it will be counted as 1 year. Use the physical presence calculator from Canada.ca to check your presence in Canada. You must have filed taxes for at least 3 years in the last 5 years. You need to file your income taxes in Canada for at least 3 years within those 5 years. Even if you don't make much income, file your taxes. You will need to confirm this in your application. You must show English or French language skills if you are age 18 to 54. If you don't have Canadian education, you must prove you can speak and understand basic English and French. Minimum level CLB level 4. Acceptable documents, language test results, IELTS General or CELPIP, diploma or transcript from Canadian high school, college in English or French. If you are under 18 or over 54, you don't need language proof. You must pass the citizenship test. If you are age 18 to 54, the test is 20 multiple choice questions. Topics include Canada's history, rights and responsibilities, government and elections, geography, Canadian values and symbols. To pass, get 15 out of 20 questions correct. You will have 30 minutes to finish the test. If you fail the first test, you will get a second chance. Study from the official booklet Discover Canada. What documents do you need? Here's your complete checklist. Application form CIT 0002 for adults. 2 citizenship photos. Follow Canada.ca for photo specifications. PR card copy, both sides. Travel documents, passport and travel history for the last 5 years. Proof of language if aged 18 to 54. Physical presence calculator printout. Fee payment receipt, pay online. Copy of government issue ID, for example driver license, health card. Name change documents if you have changed your name. Use of representative form if you have an immigration consultant or lawyer. Always use the official document checklist CIT 0007. How to fill and submit your application? You can apply online, use the IRCC secure portal or by mail. Send it to the Case Processing Centre in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Post Office Box 7000 Sydney, Nova Scotia. The postal code is B1P 6V6 Canada. How to fill the form CIT 0002? Use Adobe Reader to fill it. Do not sign before calculating your physical presence. Sections to complete: personal details, immigration history, physical presence, tax filing, language proof, signed declaration and date. Fees and payment: you must pay online only on Canada.ca. Adults 18 and over, it's $630. Minors under 18, it's $100. After payment, print your receipt and attach to your application. After you apply, what happens next? Here's what to expect. You will get an acknowledgement of receipt AOR. Background and security check will be done. You will be asked to give biometrics or PCC if needed. you will receive an invitation for the citizenship test if aged between 18 to 54. After the test, an interview may be scheduled. If all is good, you will be invited to a citizenship ceremony. Take the oath and become Canadian. The final step is the citizenship ceremony. You will say the oath of citizenship. It can be in person or online. After the ceremony, you get your citizenship certificate. Congratulations, you are now a Canadian citizen. Final tips for applicants. Do not lie in your application, it's a crime. Make sure your information is correct and matches your PR and tax records. Always keep a copy of your application. Use the IRCC online tracker to check your application status. I will mention all the links in the description down below. In my next video, I will show you how to apply for your passport from Service Canada, whether it is for your first time or you are renewing it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.